Hey everyone. Hi. So right now we're in Ikea and we just got something to eat. I had Thanksgiving dinner and I had a wrap because she's healthy AF.
Chrissy, who do I hate? You!
Whoa, alright. Wow. Owls though. We should actually get this though. Like, it's like, I would like give it to the dentist. And, like,
Nice hygiene.
like, yes, but I have OCD, so like, why is this like coming off? Like, no.
Your girl's like,
This music's pumping me up. Guys, do you see these rooms? Wait, ready? Karen, ready? Oh. That actually could have ended bad. This couch looks nice. Let's try it out. I don't like the no, I do not like that. Look, this is hideous. Sorry, like. No, but I hate the fabric. No, this couch looks good. Ready? No, this is so bad. I don't like it. Caroline and I are currently both have a cough, and she had the flu, so I should probably like. I'm just kidding. $999 for this. It includes me. Wow, you look comfortable. Ready, guys?
why?
I just feel like, what is this? Is it a couch? Is it a bed? Like what?
I'm actually. Karen, you look like you're having quite a great time. Wow. Okay. Guys, so this is my favorite room out of all of them. I'm going to show you right now. It's definitely this hallway because when I look side to side, it's me. Like, of course, this is my favorite room. Like, everywhere is me. Like, who doesn't love this room? Guys, so we're kind of confused with what these are because, like, is it a couch? What is it? Like, I'm confused. Yeah, like, why are her knees so high up? Like,
It's like, I was like,
okay. I'm very confused of what this is.
what is this?
What is this?
No, it's a chair. This would hurt someone because it's a like.
Oh my god. Perfect timing. When you're trying to advertise. Like, boy.
So I'm having a problem because I cannot find Chris. Hello, Christopher.
I can't. Alright guys, so this closet is bigger than my whole life. So welcome to my closet. Don't mind these. Alright guys, so my sister and my dad are in the bathroom right now. So I'm basically just gonna play around. This is a tent and I'm actually like in the kids section again, and yeah, so look around. Alright, I'm gonna get into this tent right now. Boo! Whoa! I thought you were in the bathroom.
I know, I'm really a magician.
Really?
Chris, you should flamingo.
Wow, more roasts. What is this?
A snake.
Looks like an ostrich. I hope you like this video. Give this video a like if you like videos like this, and subscribe. Comment down more suggestions. And yeah, subscribe. Love you guys.